Ghana Revenue Authority has finally rolled out tax incentives to help cushion businesses and individuals in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. There's more in the following report.
The notice follows the passage of the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2020, which seeks to exempt income tax on certain withdrawals from the statutory voluntary pension scheme. Parliament also approved that items that are donated to fight COVID-19 are granted as relief items for VAT purposes. According to the notice, individuals and employers that should have filed their tax returns by April this year now have 2 months extension. This should mean that the necessary payment should be made by June this year to file for their returns. For corporate institutions and firms, they now have up to 6 months to file their returns. For instance, if their financial year ended in December 2019, that company is now required to file its returns by June 2020. Firms that are making items and goods donations to help fight COVID-19 would also be granted some relief from VAT purposes, meaning that the donations made will not qualify as deductions against tax income. The Commissioner General has also offered amnesty to firms and individuals that are indebted to the GRA, but they should also settle their tax returns by June this year in order to be excused from any charges or penalties. The Commissioner of the Ghana Revenue Authority sees this as one of the measures to encourage persons to pay their taxes. The GRA has also notified the public that any worker that has lost his or her job as a result of COVID-19 can make withdrawals from their tier contributions, but would not attract the usual 15% income tax. Health workers' income from April to June this year will be exempted from income tax. Many would be looking forward to see whether or not these measures would help encourage firms and individuals to be tax compliant, as well as bring the required relief to taxpayers.